Hi, I'm Gail from Gail Pan Designs, and I'm here to talk about how I've used some fastenings in my new book, Changing Seasons. So first of all, we've got our snap fasteners here that I've used, and they're really readily available and great to use. I've also used some Velcro dots and some hook and bar. So we'll start with the hook and bar. So what I've done on this one is I've got the bar here and the hook on here, and all I did was measure in where I wanted it to go with my ruler, and then I've sewn it on to each side, and then you just bring it over and it will hang on there on both sides. So on this one I've used the Velcro dots, and as they are sticky, it's easy to measure in and then put the dot on to the back and also to the frame here. I did actually go ahead and sew them on as well. A little bit difficult to get through the sticky, but it works really well. And then you can just flip them back and that stays on there, and then that becomes interchangeable. Okay, for the banners, I've actually put a little hanging sleeve on the back. So you can see here, I have sewn it in before I've actually sewn the binding down. So you sew the binding on, sew the little sleeve on, and then sew the binding over to the back, and then you sew it along here. This little hanger is from Ackfield, and that just slips out like this, like that, to do that. So then you can just interchange those banners when you need to.